Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDS.com. Today we have our Maverick here in the shop and we're going to be showing you how to switch out those old OEM halogen bulbs for our super bright MK2 front marker light kit. This kit adds an amazing aesthetic upgrade to the truck and we're going to show you how it's done right now.
Before we jump into it, please take a quick second to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps other Ford owners just like you find our content. Thanks, we really appreciate your support.
Alright, to remove this front marker housing, there's a pressure tab located at the front of this that we need to apply forward pressure on to be able to release it from the truck. And to do that, we're going to use a pry tool. You can even use a flathead screwdriver if you like. You just want to be very careful right here to use something to protect your paint. So we're going to go ahead and put our pry tool in like this. So just wedge it in between the housing and the truck and then press forward. And that's going to pop out our front marker assembly like so. You can see here this pressure tab we were talking about, that just needs forward pressure applied on it and it'll pop right out. All right, so now that we've done that, we're going to give a counterclockwise turn to this socket on the back of the housing and that'll expose our OEM bulb. Now you want to be very careful when removing this bulb. If it's been on, it's going to be extremely hot to the touch, but ours has been off for a while, so we are good to go. As you can see, you just pull it directly away from the socket and it'll come right out. Now we're going to take our MK2 front marker bulb from F150LEDS.com and we're going to firmly seat it inside this socket. Once we've done that, we're going to take our key fob here and press unlock. And you can see that the bulb lights up. If you do that to test it, press unlock and the front marker light does not light up. These bulbs are polar sensitive, so you're just going to want to pull away from the bulb, give it a 180-degree turn, and then put it right back into place. So now that we've tested that and the light is on and working, we're just going to line up the tabs of our socket into the back of the housing, give it a clockwise turn, lock it into place, and then just line up these two tabs on the back of the housing to click it back into place. Okay, so that's all there is to installing our MK2 front marker kit on this Maverick truck. The camera probably can't capture how bright these lights are, but they are extremely bright and they're going to add an amazing aesthetic upgrade to your truck. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing custom LED products for your Ford truck at F150LEDS.com. We truly appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.